On today's episode, we are going to take a look at life-changing hacks with gadgets that can potentially improve your lifestyle in amazing ways. Welcome to Gadgetonia, land of the gadgets, gizmos and smarts.
CRest Pillow is a neck relief pillow that provides the ergonomic support and helps you fall asleep effortlessly. It improves neck posture for those with aches, pain, discomfort, or anything in between. It helps relax muscles, relieves tension, and improves the mobility of the neck and shoulders. Take a nap, or take a good night of sleep with CRest Pillow. The most ergonomic pillow ever. Living with neck pain is pain. If you have frequent neck pain or know someone who does, you know it's not an easy problem to get rid of. Chiropractic, massage, and physiotherapy are costly and time-consuming. Why there isn't a solution for home care? Stop band-aiding the problem with medications. We must align our cervical spines to reverse all these negative effects of tech devices, gravity injuries, and whiplashes. Resting on CRest Pillow, for as little as 10 to 15 minutes a day, can help restore your default neck posture, the natural curve of the neck, cervical lordosis. Designed and tested by ergonomists, it aligns your head and neck for proper support, so you can sleep soundly.
Walking with head-forward posture. Adjusting screens many times a day. Constantly tossing and turning at night. Your neck is out of balance. Yes, I know, I regularly see a chiropractor. It's expensive and scary. I buy many devices, but never got to build a habit of using it every day. Foam rollers are difficult to use for my neck. Is it just me? Hey, that's why we created SiRest Pillow. It's ergonomically designed to restore the natural curve of your neck. Thanks to its unique polygon structure of SiRest Pillow, it allows perfect fit to your neck and efficient weight distribution. Whether you have poor posture or not, it feels soft, supportive, and most importantly, pain-free. You will start to experience stress and tension relief in just 10 minutes. You may feel the full body relaxation. Once you get into the zone, take a deep breath. Gently move your head left and right or up and down. You may take a nap. This is how we developed CRest Pillow. From the success of CRests in the past, we realized we could do something better. We started with a polygon design and tens of recipes of integral skin foam. Take a look. Our magic recipe makes CRest Pillow appear solid as rock, but in the meantime, it's soft, durable, safe. It also repels water and sweat, so it can be used instantly whenever required. Treat stiffness and pain as soon as it hits you. Maybe make it a new ritual for the evening. It helps reduce neck pain and release headaches. Get CRest Pillow today. Restore the balance. You will love it. Thank you.
Shine is reinventing the bathroom. Because even though the bathroom hasn't changed in a century, we have. So why do we spend time each week on the dirtiest job in the home? What if the toilet could clean itself and tell you how to quickly fix it? Introducing the Shine Bathroom Assistant. Shine installs anywhere near your toilet in minutes, and it will automatically clean and deodorize your toilet without chemicals. The secret to Shine's chemical-free cleaner is electrolyzed water. This supercharged water is as powerful as bleach and 5 times more effective than traditional deodorizer sprays. But when your toilet stops working, the reasons can be unclear. That's why Shine uses an AI called SAM. SAM can detect the first sign of a leak or flood and notifies you with the issue and how to fix it. Shine service even delivers free repair kits. Shine ensures that the bathroom is ready for you, so that you can be ready for the world. It's time to let your bathroom shine.